Hello guys, this is Damus and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Gala Games. I think you probably heard this name before because it's getting popular and popular and it's getting everywhere. So I just wanted to give you some terminology guide before you start navigating it. And so this is how it goes. First, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of what Gala Games is, and then I'll show you the terminologies that are used in community, and finally I'll show you things to know for beginner investors before actually making any purchase of Gala Games items or NFTs. So next, Gala Games introduction. So first, it was founded in 2019 by the CEO who founded game Zynga, which was played in Facebook. I didn't personally play this game before, so I don't know the details. But I think this game was kind of big and popular, so I think a little bit that makes a little bit him certified, kind of. And this game, Gala Games, has 100 employees, including skilled developers of Sims and Fable. These both are very famous and popular games, so I think there is possibility that you know about this already. So you see the yellow circle here. TownStar and Mirandus is in the Gala Games platform here. So there's a big circle, and there are two games under this. So Gala Games isn't a game itself, but it's just kind of platform. So you can think it as Steam or any other gaming platform. So these Gala Games incubate these old games here, and especially TownStar is really like the game Farmville from Zynga. And there is Mirandus here. So these two games are, so to speak, pure blood here, because Gala Games creators created this game directly, and Mirandus started its beta tests just a couple of days ago. So now you can play on Gala Games website. And there are these other 5 games. There are Walking Dead and Last Expedition and blah blah something. And these are created by other game creators, and I think they had kind of contract between Gala Games and these other outsourcing game creators. So now just basically Gala Games has all provide service for all of these games under their name. Yeah, that was Gala Games, and now they are trying to build kind of universe of Fox. So you also probably heard of this name before, Fox. Fox is kind of item or just NFT. So there are only 8,888 Fox collectibles in total. And this is fixed, there will be no more Vox, and they are trying to kind of build a Vox universe, and you can consider Voxes as items, and Vox in Mirandus can be used in TownStar, so Vox in Mirandus can be used in TownStar, but for now it's not fixed if whether you can use the Vox in TownStar in Mirandus is not fixed yet for now, but I'll keep you updated on this. And for now, I don't think these other 5 games have any relation with Fox. I don't think so. Yeah. So yeah, when you talk about Fox, it usually just goes with TownStar and Mirandus. So this is their official web page. There's store here. If you click on this menu, then you can see the list of games here and items on the right. So, there is Mirandus and TownStar box. So this is a store where you can buy all of the things they provide. And there's inventory here. So if you click on this menu, then you see your balances of Gala and Ethereum, Towncoin, or BAT. So you can consider this menu as a wallet. So you have your own wallet in your Gala Games under your account when you create your account. Next, so if you want to play a game, then obviously you have to click on this menu games, and you have to there are okay, now what's available is only TownStar, so not in here, but there's TownStar and Mirandus here, and also Spider Tank. These three games are only available now, and Mirandus will be only open for 2 weeks and closed for a while, then officially opened in the next year. So now it's on this beta test. So if you want to play this game, this is a chance. And well, you can also play TownStar and Spider Tanks. So there is a terminology node, and it's also called Founders Gala node. So it's like a operating right of Gala Games. So if you have nodes, then you can actually participate in the decision making, and it just act like shareholders share. So there are 50,000 nodes in total, and the price of it goes up every purchase because the left amount of node decreases as you purchase one of them. It started at $5,000. Now it's almost $73,500. So it's increased like tenfolds, more than tenfolds. And the last 50,000th node price is expected to be $250K, which is really expensive. And also you note that 300 Gala coins are mined every day. Oh, so yeah, I just skipped the part. So you can mine Gala coins only if you have nodes. So as I told you, this is kind of acting like an operating right of Gala Games. So you have to own node to mine Gala coins. And there is also Town node. So Gala node, or just node, is an operating right of a Gala game, but Town node is just operating right of TownStar game. So first 400 nodes started selling on 24th November, and about 40 town coins are mined every day since then. So well, you just consider this node as if you own some amount of town node, then you can mine town coins. Yeah. So now we are going to number 2, section number 2, Gala Games community terminologies. So it's not really in the Gala Games, but you have to know about this before you actually participate in the game. So there is OpenSea.io. I think you already know this. So OpenSea, just for the ones who doesn't know about this. So OpenSea is just like a Craigslist if you're in the US, or Kijiji if you're in Canada, or 당근마켓 in Korea. So you just can trade your NFTs on OpenSea. And what's really important is when you search TownStar on the search bar, there is TownStar with this circle check symbol, blue circled check symbol here, and it makes it official, just like Instagram account or Twitter account. So without this mark, without the symbol, these are most likely fake or scam. So please make sure there's mark next to the name of the NFTs. And there's Mirandus as well, and there's Fox as well. So if you clicked on the Mirandus search result, then you see these lists. So they are this list of NFTs are actually being traded by people, like just like Craigslist or 당근마켓. So this particular box here was sold in 0.88 Ethereum, but now it's 2.989 Ethereum, which is already 3 times its initial value. So, well, the price of Mirandus NFTs are just pumped up like hell. So, yeah. Next. And you have to know about rarity tools. This is really important. This website evaluates each NFT's rarity and showcase them. So if you click on this button, then the drop-down menu comes out. So there are many NFTs. To my knowledge, they are just artworks like Ape Yacht Club or Board Art Club. And here is folks collectibles. They are items for Gala Games. So these are just lists of NFTs, and if you click on so you have a hashtag number of Fox. This hashtag number is unique number for each Fox NFT. Then you get rarity score here. It says 172.24 rarity score. The higher the rarity score, the value of the Fox, the higher the Fox value, of course. Next, there's Discord. If you play games, then you're probably familiar with this app. This is just basically a communication app for, like, mainly for voice or text chat. I don't know if there's any purpose to use this app. You should join this channel, their channel, to get their newest announcements. So there's announcements channel here, hashtag here. So they usually release their news and like their plan, their schedule here. So you gotta stay tuned with this announcements channel. Next, OKEX. I don't know which is correct, OKEX or OKEX. Please correct me in the comment section. So OKEX is a crypto exchange, just like Binance. And Towncoin and Gala Games both own this website. So, well, I just put this slide here just to let you know that there is other exchange than Binance, because Binance is huge and gigantic. So, well, there's OKEX as well. That's it. And there's MetaMask. So MetaMask is a crypto wallet. So once you make an account on MetaMask, then you have this account here, and you can actually synchronize this account with this Gala Games inventory here. So if you if you buy some Ethereum, then let's say the price goes, the balance goes 10, then you see 10 here. If you finish your synchronization process. And you also have to make sure you synchronize this wallet with OpenSea account, so that you can actually utilize all of these platforms without any cumbersome process. So they are kind of simple with this. I think it's pretty intuitive itself. And minting. Yeah, this is really important. So minting means, like, by definition is turning a file into an NFT or any other crypto platform. So basically, in this context, in this Gala Games context, it's like opening sales. So when Gala Games make an item or NFT, they are same here. So they decided to make item into an NFT form. Then, well, there is emerging NFTs. Then that process is called minting. So when there is minting event, usually it takes less than 5 minutes till it's sold out. So this particular doc here was sold out. It was the starting amount was 300, and it was all sold out in just 1 minute. So yeah, that's what minting is. And there is gas fee. Well, since this Gala Games platform utilize Ethereum smart contract, there is also gas fee, just like at Ethereum. You can choose, okay, so you can consider it as just transaction fee. So once you want to make purchase here, then when you check out the item, you have to pay this estimated gas fee by Ethereum, which implies that you have to have some Ethereum when you want to like purchase any NFTs or items in Gala Games. So, and then you can choose transfer speed here. Sorry about the Korean letters here. But I'm sure your website shows the same in your setup. So there's a trackbar here, and if you set this trackbar to this part, to this end, then it goes it goes faster. And so when it's minting season, I believe you should use the fastest option here. So like, I mean by that, like you put this blue dot here so that it can transfer the fastest, so that you can actually purchase you can buy the NFTs that's minted. I think this is my opinion. So yeah, here is basically gas fee, just transaction fee with speed option. And there is Gala Games, Gala Gold. So Gala Gold is just like a premium membership. To my knowledge, there is a normal user and Gala Gold user and noders. So it's normal and Gala Gold membership users and noders. And to my knowledge, Gala Games release their news accordingly. So if you are a normal user, then you got just limited limited amount of information. And then if you are a Gala Games, a little more. And then if you are a founders noder, then you get the most information from them. I think Gala Gold membership is not super expensive, but I don't think it's really necessary, because I was once held the Gala Gold membership, but I don't think I had like that valuable information from this membership. But it's just my opinion. So there's Gala Gold membership, and there's a referral code. It's just like working like any other referral code in shopping websites and any other websites. If you make an account with the referral code, then the referrer gets reward from your like you're joining this Gala Games. But I don't think it's like it's that much, because I was referred from like 15 friends, and the reward from this wasn't that big as I expected. So I don't think it's huge, but anyways, there is a referral code. So if you have lots of friends, then maybe you can utilize this system. And then there's Galapow. I think it's very, very important notion to actually play the game. Before I introduce this term, I have to explain TownStar first. So this is TownStar explanation, too long, don't read. So in this game, you harvest the crops in your town and then sell them to other towns, and then you get town coin whenever when achieving, so only when achieving a daily mission. So there is a daily mission that you have to like achieve by playing this game in the actual game. And the precondition is only when you put NFTs in your town. So it's not just about you're achieving daily mission, but you also have to like own certain amount of NFTs, and you get as many town coins as your NFTs rarity or price. I'll get to this part later. So let's say you have this NFT, Lumberjack Fox, hashtag 5274. Then you get 67.84 town coins a day only if you achieve the daily mission. So that's why it's P2E, I think. So you have to play the game to earn money. Here comes the notion of Gala power. So here comes the Gala power. So this energy bar is visible in official website of Gala Games on the top right corner. So there's bar here, and it says level. So it should be, there should be a digit like 1 or 2 or 3, blah blah blah. So here's the equation, Gala power equation. So Gala power is equal to Gala coin plus town coin multiplied by 2. So as if you have lots of Gala coins and town coins, then your Gala power goes up. So this Gala power and this level in particular is used as how many NFTs you can put in your town. So for instance, if your level is 1, so let's say your level is 1, then you can only station or put this one or just either one of these token or NFT in your town. And if you are level 2 and you own these 2 NFTs, then you can put both in your town, and then you get like you can actually get both town coins that are mined from this game. So to raise your level, you have to have more coins, and then also you have to put your NFT in your town. So before you actually start playing the game, please make sure that you have enough level and enough NFTs to get money. So it's not main purpose of the game for some people maybe, but if you really want to make money, then these two are preconditions. So yeah, this is important, I guess. And there is a table here. This is a town coin reward table. So this number here under each item is how many town coins you get if you put these NFTs in your town. So these, well, let's say this NFT. If you put this NFT in your town, then you get 60 town coin whenever you achieve your daily goal. So yeah, this one NFT is almost worth 2 or 3 Ethereum now, which is quite expensive, I think. So this game is not cheap to play anymore, I think. Yeah, so you should have some money and actually have to pay some of them to get money from this game. So this is not a cheap game anymore, I think. There are exemplar, Halloween, Porch, East Wing, West Wing, Tesla, and blah blah, etc. So these are just NFTs or items that are used in the game. So this is exemplar, and this is a fox. And if you open this, so when it's minting season, if you open this, then this cute little fox collectible comes out. And there are Haunted Porch, West Wing, East Wing, and Tesla Coil, and all of these are just working as an item. Like if you ever played game, you know what items roles are in the game. So yeah, these are just items. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Sorry about this. This is supposed to be 3. Third, as conclusion, first, minting preparation. So there is price increase. There is price pumping up when minting. So I highly recommend you check Discord announcement as frequent as possible, so that you you are actually informed of the minting opening sale. information. And then gas fee is always in Ethereum. So for trading NFTs in Gala Games, you have to pay gas fee in Ethereum first, and then you also have to own some amount of Gala coin to, buy the NFT. And well, this is just transaction fee, as I told you. And gas is cheap around 3 p.m. in Korea time zone. Well, I only know about Atlanta, so if it's about 2 a.m. in Atlanta, just from my experience, so it's my humble opinion. Please take it just my opinion. Well, third Gala coin is on Binance and OKX. So please make sure you synchronize your Binance or no, not synchronize. So you first buy Ethereum on Binance or OKX, and then you transfer the money to MetaMask wallet, and then you synchronize this MetaMask wallet with Gala Games and OpenSea to trade NFTs. And fourth, never do panic buying. So when minting, as I told you, the price increase is expected. So many people trying really hard to buy NFTs. So usually the NFTs are sold out in less than 5 minutes. But there are also some cases where price went down after sold out. So for example, Echoes of Empires. So I don't know if you remember it, but there is Echoes of Empire in the Gala Games platform. And the price of some NFTs was even cheaper after sold out of minting. And it was traded in the cheaper price on OpenSea later. So please don't do panic buying. There is always another chance. Give it just a bit of time, and just make sure you give it a double check and just every confirmation. Finally, initial investment isn't small, so I highly recommend you to have at least $900 to invest before you actually start it. So there are lots of NFTs and Gala coins or town coins are needed to to get money from the game. Without that, it's actually not really financially efficient, I think. So I recommend you to have more than at least just let's say $1,000, and then I recommend you to start the game. Okay, that was my first English session, and thank you for listening to this introduction session. I'll come to you later with other informative stuff. Okay, thank you. Bye.